Suraj, he's one of the greatest stories ever, right? Suraj started working with me way back in, like, it was 2017 or 2018. I can't remember, a long time ago. And his first book, he took 18 months to write his first book. 18 months, wondering, when's this kid just gonna give up? 18 months it took him to write his first book, right? Before Ghostwriter, or before AI, and he was a little Indian kid studying in university, and so he had no money to pay ghostwriters because it was like $1,000 back then, which was, I think it was like 5 or 6 months of his income, and he just couldn't do it. So he wrote it not knowing English properly. And guess how that book did? It sucked because it was his first. But Suraj was not a quitter. He just kept going. And he wrote another one and got better and got better and then nailed it. To this date, he has 46 books published. He's made $3.1 million paid out to him from Amazon. $3.1 million. That's bloody awesome. That is bloody awesome. And that's a picture of me and him in Bali when I flew over to meet up with some of the boys there. But that's just bloody awesome. But you know what the cool thing is about Suraj? He started just like you. He started like you. He started wondering, should I do this KDP thing? I don't know. Should I try this? Should I see what happens? And he bet on himself. Will you bet on yourself like Suraj? Will you? Because he started the same way you did. There's no difference between him and you, except for now, you got AI. So you can get results much faster than he ever did.